Hi, friends!
Torbay is a charming town located on the eastern side of the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador. It is just 12 kilometers north of St. John's, the capital city. As part of the St. John's metropolitan area, Torbay's population is rapidly growing, making it an exciting place to visit and live. The name Torbay comes from Torbay in Devon, England. It was first mapped in 1615 by John Mason. Both places share wide-open bays that face in a northeasterly direction. There's even a little colony of Devon folk here, adding to Torbay's historical charm. Torbay has a rich history dating back to the early English fishery in the late 1500s. The oldest reference to Torbay in Newfoundland is on John Mason's map from 1617. By 1794, the population included English and Irish settlers who blended their cultures and began farming alongside fishing. This mix of cultures and activities shaped Torbay's unique character. Today, Torbay attracts tourists with its historic sites and scenic coastline. It has grown from a bedroom community for St. John's to the second fastest growing municipality in Newfoundland and Labrador. Thank you for joining us in exploring the beauty and history of Torbay.
Thanks for watching!